Welcome everyone. Today we will talk about how your FRC team can get involved in supporting FIRST LEGO League robotics teams. FLL is a great program for younger students where they learn how to build robots out of LEGO kits and they create a project to solve a real world problem. FLL is a great introduction to robotics and STEM, and as FRC teams you have the perfect opportunity to support these students by sharing your knowledge and experiences. For us, the most important step in getting involved was reaching out. We contacted local schools to ask if any FLL teams needed support. We were surprised by how many schools wanted to have FLL teams, but did not have the experience or resources needed to start them. By offering our help, we connected with a local school and began mentoring their team, from helping them build their robot to growing their soft skills. It is a rewarding experience for us, and it encourages more students in our community to become involved with FIRST and STEM. Once your team is involved, you will have the opportunity to guide these students in building and programming the robot. We suggest looking over resources on the FLL website or videos online. From our experience, it's helpful to divide your mentors into specific roles so that each one can provide focused support in different areas. Additionally, it is important to encourage collaboration and share your experiences with them. Whether you're helping brainstorming, assisting in programming, or offering feedback, you are helping the students. Another way you can support FLL teams in your community is by hosting an FLL competition. Our team started by reaching out to local teams and hosting the event. Your team can also reach out and help set up the event, volunteer, judge, or be there to encourage teams during the competition. You are an example to the kids, and it is important that you support them and be role models for them so that they will stay with FIRST and STEM in the future. Thank you for watching. The resources that we mentioned earlier are in the description below, as well as a way to contact us. We hope that this workshop helped to encourage you to reach out to local schools and get involved with FLL. Your FRC team has a lot to offer, and helping mentor an FLL team is a great way to inspire the next generation of engineers and innovators.